Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, it's a slice of pizza. Or is it a slice of Count Dracula? Maybe it's both of them. I think you're right. If you combine the two together, we got a Count Pizza for today's lesson. And what can we learn from this experience? As always, I say, use your creativity, use your imagination. How about a mummy pizza or a Frankenstein pizza slice? I can see every one of those as a cartoon illustration, kind of fun, playing up with a pizza and a character. Put them together, you got one. Anyway, so if you are excited to try out this slice of pizza with some pepperoni on it, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.